guys, NettaTessa here, and I am back with another video. It is now midnight in Atlanta, and I figured let me go ahead and get this video out for you all. It is an unboxing. You don't see me right now because I look a little jank. It's been a long day, but it's been a blessed day nonetheless, and I hope you all had a blessed day as well. So let's get into this. This is unboxing of Influenster. If you have not heard of Influenster, I'll leave the website for them down below. You share your reviews on things such as food, makeup, candy. I kind of said that it goes with food, like with traveling, websites and things like that. Like if you have questions about something you want to try and anything, you post your question, other influencers will answer your question and things, and you end up getting like you unlock badges and unlock points and things like that. And the more you're involved, then you get a box. They have different boxes, different times, different themes. And I can't remember the theme of this box. I really forgot that I was getting this box, and I'm so excited that it came because I like getting things in the mail. And this one's pretty big. Like usually they're a little smaller and things like that. And so I was really surprised by this box. So again, if you want to join Influenster, I'll leave the link to the website in the description box. And also if you all want to add me, I'll leave my name on there too. So I've ripped the tape off because it's that hard tape, so I took that off. So let's take a look inside. Oh wow, okay. So, and again, you know, discover, review, share, they give you time to review the products and things. And I need to put that I got my box in. But okay, so Not Your Mother's Beat the Heat Thermal Shield Spray, which is really what I need because around this time of year, I am straightening my hair more. So this is awesome. I really needed a new straightener, so that's good. And this is a good size bottle, 60 milliliter. Yeah, that's a good ounce bottle, so that'll last me a second because I don't straighten my hair all the time. Then what is this? Garnier Skin Active Micellar Water. Oh shoot, yeah, I was just saying how I don't buy micellar water like that because when I do, I just use it like to take off my eye makeup when I really do my eye makeup, which is kind of rare. So I was running out, so I have been blessed with this. Thank you for that one. And then I have nail polishes. Okay, one big fact about me, I love nail polishes. I have a big old box, like perfume Marc Jacobs box filled with nail polish, and I can't open this with one hand, so give me a second and I'll be right back. I have it open, and this one is so pretty. Oh my goodness, this color is so pretty, you guys. I like simple colors. I love nail polishes. This one is Vacation Time. Why do I feel like I have this one? I may have. I think this is like a nude on me. So that's Vacation Time. And this one's pretty. It's a nice orangey reddish color. Orange, so red orange. There we go. That's a nice fall color. I really like that. That's really cute. And then I have these kiss nails on. They're just like the natural kind because all I do is pop on nails right now. I know I just put them on and they already look a little jank, but I can put some more on and paint. Oh, that's perfect. They just made my day with that. They just don't know. Okay. It's the WhatAGirlWantsVoxBox. That's what this is. Okay, so the Not Your Mother's is usually $5.99. The Garnier is usually $8.99. That's Tofe. Oh, snap. The Sinful Colors, of course, $1.99. Ooh, I like the way they describe this. Vacation Time. Feels like you're on a vacation all year long with this warm, beachy nude. Okay, I think I have this one because I think I usually use that as a nude. But I like this orange. Like, let me pop my nails back on and, you know, get my orange. But Toffee, I don't know how to pronounce it. A whole roasted hazelnut inside a chewy caramel cup with creamy hazelnut filling and a drop of smooth chocolate. What? Oh, it's about to be on and popping in this bed tonight. Like, let me get my mask on. Y'all, and it's a big box. This is a 30 piece pack. Oh my goodness, like, y'all, I'm about to, that's it? I just wanted to make sure that's everything in the box. So that's everything. And of course, again, thank you Influenster for sponsoring this video with all the good goodies and everything, and I can't wait to try them out. I'm not straightening my hair anytime soon just yet, so this one may take a minute, but the rest of this, hunty, especially these I'm about to be real fancy tonight. I ain't got no wine, but I got my tea, and I'm about to put my mask on, my Neutrogena mask. Oh, okay, y'all, it's 2 boxes in one. I was legit thinking like it was one big box. It's 2. Oh, make a kid happy. Oh my god, it's like bonbons. Y'all don't know how happy I am. So I'm about to end this video now because I'm about to get myself pampered and happy. I already got my tea going. So again, thank you Influenster for sponsoring and giving me all these nice little goodies. I can't wait to review them, especially this, but I can't wait to I can't wait to get my hands in all of this. Again, it's the WhatAGirlWantsVoxBox. Go to influenster.com. Again, sign up. I'll put my information below so you all can follow me. I believe I am still just NettaTessa on there as well. Again, got the nail polishes, the micellar water Garnier, Not Your Mother's Beat the Heat Thermal Shield, and the Toffifee. I hope I'm saying it right. If I'm butchering it, I apologize. But yeah, and until next time, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you all sign up with Influenster and everything, and they also give you discounts and things like that on different items and products and things like that. So yeah, take advantage of Influencer, and hopefully you'll get a Voxbox and review it too. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I'll be back with my next video soon, so y'all have a great one. Bye guys.